On to a Mega India Today impact after we reported about young tribal girls being sexually assaulted in Uttar Pradesh's Chitrakoot. A judicial probe has now been ordered. The local administration has jolted into action, camped in the area last night. The Inspector General, along with the district magistrate, questioned the villagers. The administration reportedly swooped down with dozens of police officials in the middle of the night. The officials, however, did not want our camera crew or reporters to be present during their interaction with the tribal girls, who were scared by the midnight questioning. India Today earlier reported about young adolescent girls working at illegal mining sites sexually assaulted in exchange for their daily wages in Chitrakoot. Maushami is now joining us live from Chitrakoot, and Nilanshu is also joining us. First to you, Maushami. Maushami, this is a story that is extremely heartbreaking. It is a brilliant human interest story that you've really picked on, and just look at the impact that your story has had. A judicial probe has now been ordered, and it's just a matter of time maybe before these girls get justice.
That's right, Cherry. But it's important, that this entire menace comes to an end, and that's the reason that we've taken several days investigating village after village, speaking to a lot of villagers, and one common factor that links the entire tragedy and travesty and the savagery that it was unfolding on ground zero is the lack of jobs and the dearth of resources and livelihood. And that's one reason that these young girls who are in the age of about 10 to 15 years are pushed into such a terrible situation. And we wanted that the administration should address the matter and not only indulge in optics and headline management. And that's one reason that there are many questions that are being raised. A hurriedly called inquiry, which is wounded up in just about within 12 hours, starts in the middle of the night at 1 o'clock as top officials with dozens of policemen swoop down in a village which has allegedly raped victims. Already in a village, there's a lot of stigma, there's a lot of anxiety and fear because honor, dignity is a huge issue. Nobody wants to come out in the open and be spotted and targeted. And we do believe that we were met with very, very hostile, in fact, officials in denial mode when our reporter Santosh Mansal was on ground zero. Nilanshu tracked the DM in the press conference where he said that they were denying that such a thing had happened. We only hope that the independent inquiry will do justice. Already these officials who are in the matter.
Maushami, I'm just going to request the producers to re-establish your connection right there. We're having some problem with the audio. In the meanwhile, Nilanshu is also with us. Nilanshu, was the administration taken by surprise by the story which was exposed by Maushami, or did they know about something of this nature happening? Of course, they've swung into action now.
See, the district magistrate of Chitrakoot district addressed a press conference in the afternoon, and in the press conference he said that he spoke to the minor girls and also their family members, and they have told the authorities on record that no wrongdoing has been done, and but our investigation report clearly narrates the ordeal, the horror which the young minor girls are facing in this village, and we have them on record. We also have the reaction of their family members, and the DM has clearly rejected the report. But if the DM has said that no wrongdoing has happened, then what is the police doing here? You can see that there is police presence still in the area. Officials have gone inside, and we tried speaking to a lot of villagers. Some of them have told us off the record that the police have told them not to speak to media. So why is the administration doing the cover-up? Also, I tried asking a lot of questions to the district magistrate in the press conference on the basis of our investigation report, but he evaded almost every question and finished the press conference in a hurry. So we don't understand why is the administration trying to cover up the case and why they are stopping the media from speaking to the villagers, because there is constant police presence here. The officials are coming, they are speaking to the villagers.
Right.
Media is not being allowed to interact
All right.
with the villagers. This is
and
what
this
the
is a
villagers are
shocking
saying.
story of
So we will have
lockdown
to
in
wait for the
Chitrakoot in
final
Uttar Pradesh, and pushed to the brink. Young adolescent girls working at illegal mining sites are being sexually assaulted in exchange of daily wages, which are often just 100 to 200 rupees. My colleague Mashmi Singh bringing you the special investigative report. Here's a look.
The picturesque mountainous terrain of Chitrakoot district of Uttar Pradesh is a hotbed for illegal mining. But it is not the only illegal activity that goes on here. In Karvi village, children are often employed to pick up rocks and load them onto trucks. And after the loading is done, they are forced to do more if they want their meager wages.
पहाड़ के पीछे एक बिस्तर लगा नीचे चिल्लाते रोते क्या कर दर्द होता है सब सह लेते हैं दुख तो बहुत होता है कि लग मर जाए गाँव में ना रहे अपन पेट रोटी तो चलाएंगे जैसे चलाए
The lockdown spelt doom for the underprivileged tribal Kol community who are the inhabitants of this region. After livelihoods were destroyed, Bindya and other young girls were forced to obey the diktat of the middlemen. And while their families struggle for a morsel a day, these girls are forced to spend on garish makeup that they abhor.
तुम मेकअप करके ना जाए तो बोल रहे हैं कि पैसा ले जाती हो क्या करती हो तुम जब मेकअप नहीं 100 रुपए में होता ही क्या वो तो दूसरी चीज मिलता है पायल हाथ कंगन नहीं लेके जाते तो बोल रहे हैं कि तुम पैसा खा लेती हो हम तो दे रहे हैं तुम्हें बाजार करने के लिए तो हम पैसा नहीं खाते अपने सामान ले लेते हैं
और देखो 3 महीना काम बंद हो गए काम बंद के वहाँ देखो 3 महीना यहाँ वहाँ भरभटा रहे हैं भाग रहे हैं कैसे कि हमारा लड़कन के पेट पाले चाहे अपन शरीर बिकनी चाहे अपन इज्जत मर्याद कह के आई कमा के लग तब पे औलादन का पेट भरा दीदी तो कहाँ लग दीदी अच्छा लेगा बताओ
Such is the ordeal that most girls here have to undergo every day. Savagery and sexual assault in exchange for their daily wages.
कैसे मिलते हैं जाते हैं तो पहले काम के पता करते हैं फिर बोलते हैं अपना शरीर दे दो फिर हम तुमको काम पे लगाएंगे तो फिर हम दे देते हैं अपना शरीर तो फिर हम काम पे लगते हैं काम भी करते हैं तो पैसे भी नहीं मिलता
तो तुमने कभी मना किया कि हम काम करने आए शरीर नहीं देंगे तो क्या कहते हैं
तो बोलते हैं हम फिर काम पे नहीं लगाएंगे
हाँ
तो हमको फिर लगना पड़ता है काम पे काम नहीं करेंगे तो खाएंगे क्या तब जाके हम काम में लगते हैं
Perhaps if the system cared and government schemes were in place, Soumya would have been in school. Instead, she works from morning till noon, picking up boulders and rocks, and gets exploited by the drivers, laborers and contractors just to get her daily wages.
नाव गांव तो अपने नहीं बताते हैं
जो लोग करते हैं बताते नहीं हैं
और नाव बता देंगे तो वो नहीं कहेंगे हमको मरवाएंगे इसलिए नाव नहीं बताते हैं
धमकी भी देते हैं
हाँ
क्या कहते हैं
कहते हैं काम करना हो तो करो जो इस तरह काम करोगे तो हम लगाएंगे ना चले जाओ अपने घर तो फिर हम करेंगे
एक लड़की के साथ एक आदमी करता है कि जैसे तुम गई तो 2-4 आदमी रहते हैं करने के लिए
नहीं हाँ ऐसे तो होते हैं
2-4 आदमी रहते हैं
हाँ पैसा के लालच करा देते हैं
हाँ
अगर नहीं जाएंगे तो कहते हैं तुमको पहाड़ से फेंक देंगे तो फिर हमको जाना पड़ता है
Despite the mental trauma and the physical agony that these girls undergo, they continue to do so to be able to earn the pittance that feeds their family.
हाँ बोलते हैं, कहते हैं कि काम में लगाएंगे, पहले तो कहीं हम नहीं लगाएंगे, तो कहीं क्यों नहीं लगाओगे, कहें कि अपना शरीर दो पहले तो हम काम में लगाएं। तब लड़की मजबूरी है, पेट तो चलाना है, तो कहते हैं चलो भाई हम काम करेंगे, काम करें तो पैसा भी नहीं पाए। नहीं सगले हाल 3 से 4 से 5 से दिहाड़ी है, कतो 2 से कतो 150। काम करके आए तो हमसे बताएं, रोने लगे तो हम कहें कर लो बच्चे, मजबूरी है कि घर चलाना है, परिवार भूखे न सो, पापा की इलाज कराना है।
हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे साथ इस तरह काम ना हो, हमसे नहीं कर जा रहा है। इज्जत रोज रोज के कोई नहीं बेचेगा। दर्द होता तो क्या करें, करेंगे नहीं तो खाएंगे नहीं।
Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has championed the cause of the girl child, giving schemes of the Modi government an aggressive push. But here in Chitrakoot, right under the nose of the administration, this barbaric nexus is shaking the very foundation of women empowerment and stripping the soul of the country, while an unnerving calm prevails. With video journalist Sanjay Singh, this is Mosmi Singh in Chitrakoot with Santosh Bansal for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.